How to fix can't use mobile hotspot while data saver is on any Android. So when you open your notification panel shortcut bar and try opening hotspot or try turning on hotspot, then as you can see that we are not able to use this mobile hotspot. So in order to fix this issue, what you need to do is you need to head over the settings on your Android device. And then on the settings page, you have to select mobile network. If you have any other devices like Samsung, then you need to tap on connection. So for my phone, it's Realme. So let's open mobile network. So here you will see the option of data uses. So let's open the data uses option, and here are multiple options, but here we can see data saving option. Just open it and we have turned on data saving. As we all can see here that if we turn on the data saving, personal hotspot and tethering will be disabled. So in order to fix can't use mobile hotspot while data saver is on any Android, you just have to toggle off the button of data saving. And once you have done that, again we need to try opening hotspot, and when you tap on hotspot, then as you can see that we already use this hotspot on our mobile device. So that is how we easily fix can't use mobile hotspot while data saver is on any device. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.